Well, here, I'm gonna leave it here.
All right,
too.
so here we are. I'm getting ragged on by my son. It's gonna be a hard time for actually doing Messy Garage on location, and the only reason we're doing it on location is because my car decided to take a shit at the movie theater. So this is what we're replacing. Got the new part today. This is what the part looks like unbroken, so we're gonna replace that now. So I'll do this in like little bits and pieces, just so that anybody else that is unfortunate enough to have this happen can figure it out later. So this is the part that broke, like I said. It's a cable that goes all the way, or a hose that goes all the way across the front of the radiator. This part broke right here, and what you need to do is get a screwdriver underneath this metal clip, and see how the clip is out now. If you can see that, I don't know if you can see that or not. So I've taken the clip out here, what was straight out. Once that is up, this should be able to be coaxed off, and it is. So there's our broken piece. So I'll be replacing that. It's actually on the hose. And then it's the same procedure on the other side of the hose here. You see, got the screwdriver blade underneath the little screw, the pin there that pulls off. So there's the broken piece, there's the unbroken piece that we'll put on, and gonna get the screwdriver under there and just work it up and pull the pin up, stick that on, pin down, and over here the same thing. Pull the pin up. Once that's on there, then push the pin back in, and then we will put these back in there. Alright, so now I'll push pause on the camera while we mix the coolant. I'm not sure how much spewed out of the car when it overheated, but we're going to mix a gallon up right now, and then we'll go from there. Alright?
What are you doing?
Oh, there.
What are you doing?
So, my kids think I'm an idiot for doing this here at the movie theater, but
I didn't say anything.
so she just generally thinks I'm an idiot because.
Oh my God.
So here's what we did. Mix the coolant. Went and got the BMW coolant just because reasons and things, and figured I'd not be penny wise and pound foolish. So what I did, we replaced the line here, mixed the coolant, filled it up. It looks like it drained when it broke. It drained about almost half a gallon. So now we're gonna make sure there's no tools, and then I'll start the car. Holding. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if this was helpful to you. If there's other things you want to see done, let me know and put them in the comments, and I'll try to take care of those too. All right, thanks. Bye.